Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you an update on one of our big bag bed smart pots over here, which is 100 gallons, and it has a bunch of different greens in here. We planted quite a while back and we've been kind of harvesting through it all spring, and then now that it's starting to get warm, this is an example of what's called bolting. So some of these plants, it looks like, this was a mesclun mix. So it looks like the arugula is now starting to bolt, which means it's going to seed. So once it does this, it's not going to be great eating anymore. So all of this stuff, we usually either you can let it go to seed and replant itself for the next season, or we harvest it out, we give it to our animals. We have little bunnies that absolutely love it. Once they do bolt and go to seed, you can see on here that some of them start to form these little pods right here. And those you can actually still eat too. So you can throw those in salads. Some might be a little bitter. It kind of just depends on what plant it is, whether you want to choose to eat those or not. But another way you can eat them. And these pods are also really nutritious for you because this is where the seeds are forming. So that's something that's going to be really healthy for you to eat. Another benefit for when your plants start to bolt and go to seeds, these flowers bring in so many beneficial insects and bees and butterflies, all of that. So what we like to do towards the end of the spring season, whenever it starts to get warmer, is kind of dig up an area in the middle of this and we plant like a tomato or pepper, something along those lines. And then we'll let the pollinators come in and it'll help benefit that tomato plant as well too.